शुक्रारा बांबोळे डॉक्टर श्यामाप्रसाद मुखर्जी स्टेडियमात भारतीय प्लंबिंग संघटनेन 24वी भारतीय प्लंबिंग परिषद आयोजित केल्ली। ह्या सुवाळ्याक भौशीक बांधकाम मंत्री सुदीन ढवळीकर, ईडीसी अध्यक्ष सिद्धार्थ कुंकळकार, भारतीय प्लंबिंग संघटनेचे राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष गुरमीत सिंग अरोरा आणि हेर मानेस हजर आशिल्ले। आरडीएक्स गोवा खातीर बांबोळेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार।
My speech today will cover the crisis that we are in and what the future brings to us. And if we do not work together, ladies and gentlemen, I certainly see a bleak future for our children and their children to come. Many of us do not understand the grave situation we are in, what we are inheriting and what we are leaving behind for our children. The theme for today's seminar, titled Plumbing for a Sustainable Future, has in fact been chosen by me for a certain reason, as I find mankind and many of us have not only become immune, but important to the realities around us.
One request, please explore my beautiful city of Panji. It's really nice. It's located on the river bank of Mandavi and a city with a character. You will find a lot of heritage monuments. You will find a lot of mix of modernity with traditions and good food also. And I think in this context, this plumbing conference is of prime importance. The topic of this 2 days debate is sustainability, and we need it today. Goa is a Parshuram Bhumi, and we all know from the mythical stories that Goa was created by Parshuram with an arrow, and he created land out of water. And we Goans know water well. We have created systems which are unique to Goa. Khazans, for that matter, is a system where the sea is controlled, sea water, salt water is controlled, and fields produce agricultural output from those areas.
It's a great pleasure to be in your midst for this 24th Indian Plumbing Conference, which is being held in Goa for the first time. It is also a pleasurable moment, and what a coincidence that Indian Plumbing Association is celebrating Silver Jubilee this year, and which could be a better place than Goa, for which I congratulate the members of the celebrating Silver Jubilee. Friends, as you all know, Indian Plumbing Association has a significant role to play in construction industry. I believe Indian Plumbing Conference is a national conference of the Indian Plumbing Association, formed to provide common platform for the professionals of plumbing and allied sector. To be candid, the topic of the conference should be related to current trend and prevailing issues in the industry, so that can overcome the issues depending upon the gravity across the globe. Such conference is a platform for exchange of information and ideas by speakers and the delegates across the globe. Being the highest body, Indian Plumbing Association should draw up Vision 2018 to match the expectation of our growing economy, as our country is all poised to go as the world's largest economy, surpassing other advanced countries.